what is your business?
Fish vendor.
Fish.
Okay. She is a fish vendor. She sells fish, different kinds of fish. Here's the weighing scale and the ice box.
What types of fish do you
Ano pong isda ang tinitinda nyo?
Bangus.
Yun lang po.
Bangus, galonggong.
Milkfish, tilapia, and other small fish. Galunggong.
What's the best selling?
Ano pa pinakamabenta?
Yung bangus at saka tilapia.
And how has the loan helped you?
Ano po kayong natulungan ng loan? Saan niyo po ginamit yung loan? Ano po yung mga binili
Sa
loan?
business.
She used the loan as additional capital to purchase more kinds of fish.
What kinds of fish?
To buy milkfish, tilapia, and galunggong. And she also sells different native delicacies. Rice cake, snacks. She also sells through house to house.
Sells house to house. And what's your specialty?
Ano po ang paborito niyong iluto na kakanin?
Malagkit.
Ano po ba? Anong tawag po doon? Sa puto. Ano po ba tawag doon?
Oo, baduya sa ano ka.
Baruya. Yun po yung may bunggo sa loob. Baruya. Or it's a kind of called that glutinous
Oo,
glutinous rice cake, glutinous cake with a munggo or beans inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. And last question, what are your hopes and dreams for the future?
Ano po yung mga gusto nyo, mga pangarap nyo pa sa buhay nyo, sa negosyo nyo? Ano pa po yung gusto nyong mangyari?
Lumago man.
Ano pa, paano nyo po mapapalago? Ano po yung gusto nyong mangyari?
Gusto madagdagan yung negosyo.
Ano pa po yung gusto nyong idagdag?
Other negosyo mo.
Katulad po ng? Ano po? Tindahan? Or
Oo, sindahan.
ano pa po gusto nyong ibenta?
Sari-sari store.
Okay. She wanted to have a sari-sari store. She wanted to expand her business. She wants to sell more fish, meat products, more items.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
sir.
Salamat.
Thank you, sir.